Ever wished you could use your Google Play credits to buy cool stuff on other apps? Let's unlock that hidden potential. First, make sure you have the Google Play Store app open and you're logged into the Google account that holds your Play balance. This is super important. Next, tap on your profile icon located at the upper right corner of the Google Play Store. This will open up a menu of options. From the menu that appears, tap on Payments and Subscriptions. This section handles all things money-related within Google Play. Here, you'll see your current Google Play balance. Unfortunately, there isn't a direct transfer button to Fampay. Bummer, right? Here's the catch. You cannot directly transfer Google Play balance to Fampay. Google Play balance is restricted to Google Play Store. You also can't transfer to other wallets or bank accounts. So it's important to use these balances on Google Play only. The best way to utilize your Google Play balance is through in-app purchases within games or apps available on the Google Play Store. Think buying extra lives, unlocking premium features, or subscribing to a service. You'll need to use other payment methods like UPI, debit or credit card directly inside the Fampay app. Remember, Google Play credits often have expiration dates, so use them before they vanish. Subscribe or buy something that gives you value to use this credit optimally. That's all for today.